Hello and welcome to the channel Dating for Beginners. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the new video on how to log in into your Gmail. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After when you have opened your web browser successfully, you just go into the search bar that is on the top and search Gmail. And when you have searched and entered Gmail successfully, just click on the enter in your keyboard and your Gmail will be opened. So I have already logged in into my Gmail account, so I'll show you step by step process and how you can log in again. So in the top right corner there is a sign, so you just need to click on it. After that you have to scroll down a little bit and there is an add another account, so you will just click on it. After that you need to enter your email address. I'll just enter my email address. When I have entered my email address successfully, I will just press the next button that is down here. Click on it. After that, you need to enter your password. And when I have entered my password successfully, I am now going into the next step. You just have to press on the next button. After that, you will come in this step. So here are different things that has the Gmail shown to me. I'll just click on the not now button. Now as you can see, now I have successfully logged in into my Gmail account. So this is how you can easily log in into your Gmail account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.